Investors are anxious again this morning as overseas markets are seeing more instability after Monday's terrible day on Wall Street. Jeff Glor is at the New York Stock Exchange with more. Good morning, Jeff.
Hey, Rebecca, good morning to you.
So it was those overseas markets, Jeff, that foreshadowed what would happen here. How are they trading at this moment in time?
Well, you mentioned instability. That's a good word for it right now. That and then some. Markets overseas have been very tumultuous, both in Asia and Europe overnight. They continue to be so. They were down sharply, now back up, but generally speaking, they're down. So we're waiting to see what happens here on Wall Street now this morning. Here on Wall Street, futures actually trading right now would indicate that we may open slightly higher here.
It's an interesting point you make. Yesterday, the president came out, was unsuccessful in stemming the decline in stocks when he spoke yesterday. Today, we expect to hear from the Federal Reserve on Wall Street. What do traders think? Do they think the Fed can stem this falling tide?
Well, I think first and foremost, they think that the Fed chairman is going to come out with some hopefully soothing words, and that he may be able to calm things that way. In terms of the tools he has available, as you know, it's somewhat limited. Interest rates are already very low. The Fed could say they're going to pump more money into the system, buy more of those long-term Treasury securities, which then raises the risk potentially of inflation, so that's not without controversy. But there's not a whole lot the Fed can do. We'll see what Ben Bernanke says in just a few hours here.
Not necessarily a magic bullet, but enough to potentially drive up stocks, at least for the morning. Jeff Glor on Wall Street, thank you. We appreciate it.